So, watch yourself. Sit up. Watch yourself. Sit up. I don't want to catch you in the video.
Well, I'm trying to keep banding in.
He'll stay in. Nice try. Nice try. They're like, no. Come on, who's coming? Where's our toys? What's the matter, Bandit? Go swimming. They're all chilling. Like, dude, just chill out. It's not that bad. Whoa. Whoa. Go through the tunnel. That'd be pretty neat. Spike's just chilling. Rosie wants out now. Bandit's starting to chill. Alright, from right to left it goes Bandit, Rosie, and then Spike. And right now Bandit and Rosie want out. Alright, so they're really not enjoying themselves too much. I guess we'll stop the video.
Alright.